How to reinstall Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reinstall Windows 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply press Windows plus I to open the settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and here you simply have to click on System. And now here, once you are inside the system, simply scroll down and there you simply have to click on recovery. And now here, under the recovery option, there you simply have to scroll down and locate the option labeled as reset this PC. And there, once you've found it, you simply have to click on the button beside it that says reset PC. And now here, once you click on it, on the pop-up menu, you will get two options. Keep my files, that reinstall Windows but keeps personal files, and other option is remove everything, which will clean fully and reinstall by deleting all your files. So here, choose the one that you prefer, and after that, you can simply select cloud download or local reinstall. So here, simply click your option, and after that, you simply have to click on next. And now here on the next page, you simply have to click on reset, and after that your PC will restart and reinstall Windows 11 automatically. And here the process may take up to 20 to 45 minutes, so wait for some time. And that's it. That's how you can reinstall Windows 11. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next